Inside too clean for you. I'll try to make some noise. I can't get over you. I'll try to make some noise. Yes, I'm too clean for you. I'll try to make some noise. I can't.
Yeah. Put a snake in your garden. This place is adjacent to God. When I taste every part, Kenny Mason the artist. I wanna take you apart and create a new part of it. I'm confident I can take all of it. I run with them angels from Carver. Come do us a favor, we all want it. Even an angel will arch on it. Even a ranger will park on this wood. So even when I lose my mind, I can't get you off of it. You here for good, no, you here for evil. Cause you here is good, so you here for wood. And yeah, you gon' get it since you here, you should. I mean, since you here, you should.
I've been patient for way too long. I need what you got for sure. I've been patient for way too long. Way too long. Inside too clean for you. I'll try to make some noise. I can't get over you. I'll try to make some noise. Yes, I'm too clean for you. I'll try to make some noise. I can't.
Yeah. I'm in a new position. I found a new religion. But you my true religion. So yeah, this my new extension. You know I stay connected. Act like you knew a nigga. I watch what you do to niggas, but me, I'm not that superstitious. Me, I am not the same. We got a new spot to stay. You know our work will matter. So I got the time and space. You in your college days. I hope it's not a waste. Mom and daddy, they can holler at you. Now every day is a holiday. Until you come home for the holidays. Then niggas hit you up, they called it quits before a car. Quick as fuck, dog, the jig is up. All them niggas suck. But I'm just a battle rapper. Some of my niggas trapping. But just cause I'm singing more, don't mean I ain't about that action. I got rubbers in the backseat to beat that athlete. Break a sweat just like a record wrestling with an athlete. Yo ass get burnt trying to match these fast beats. I am nothing like the last week. Nigga, you fucked like in last week's. Keep it 100 like trap beats. When it's that deep, it's really that deep. Oh man.